Back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to back up critical data on your smartphone. So it depends on the type of data you want to back up. For example, if you want to back up your WhatsApp data, you open up your WhatsApp application in the first place, and then you come to these three dots in the upper right corner, then come to settings. So once you come to settings over here, you can come over here and then tap on the charts over here. Once you tap on the charts over here, you may choose to back up your charts by tapping on chart backup there and then select the backup to start. But then take an example, if you want to back up maybe your photos or videos, open up Google Drive. Once you open up Google Drive, you wait for it to finish loading and then tap on the profile section there. Then choose the account that you want to back up on. Now tap on the three lines over here and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you can choose over here backup and reset. So choose backup and reset. And then once you choose backup and reset, you come over here and then choose the type of data you want to backup. For this case, I'm assuming I want to backup only my chat history or my call history, my contacts, my SMSs. I'll choose this and then choose confirm. But take an example, if I want to back up my photos and not my call history, I'll choose the photos and then confirm. So for my case, I already backed up my data, but I was just giving you an example. So that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet in the next video once again.